Welcome back to Microsoft Minutes. Today, we're going to explore tasks by Planner and To Do in Teams. Let's check it out. Did you recently forget that sticky note on your desk that you needed for a meeting? In Tasks by Planner and To Do, you can create personal tasks with due dates and mark priorities. The tasks can also be grouped together in order to keep the tasks organized. The grouped tasks will allow you to focus on a specific topic or upcoming event. All tasks can be filtered by importance and due date. In our next episode, we will look at the filter Assigned to Me. Tasks created in Teams can also be found in Outlook email under My Day. You can create tasks from this location and find them in both locations. Tasks in Teams allows you to stay organized and check off your to-do list from anywhere with your device. Say goodbye to sticky notes and say hello to Tasks by Planner and To Do. Next time, we will take a closer look at this tool by assigning tasks to your peers within Teams.